Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Rose OFW 80. Yun guys, ang aking iba-vlog ngayon is yung mag-i-experiment ako ng itlog. So, kasi napakainit dito sa bansang Kuwait. So, bibitakin ko tong itlog na to, tapos ilagay ko sa mainit na area, titingnan natin kung maluluto ba ang itlog or hindi. So, samahan nyo ako guys sa paglagay ng itlog sa mainit na area or sa open area. Titingnan natin kung maluluto nga ba siya sa temperature dito sa bansang Kuwait. So, let's go guys. So, ngayon guys, dito ako ngayon guys. Na napakainit ngayon dito, as nakikita nyo, as in talagang mainit dito ngayon. So ito, paglagay ako ng plato at saka ng itlog, ilalagay ko sa sa simento. Titingnan ko kung maluluto siya sa weather ngayon. So ito na siya guys, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito na yung plato, at saka ito yung itlog. So, ilalagay ko bibitakin ko yung itlog. Bibitakin ko yung itlog. Bibitakin ko yung itlog, tapos ilalagay ko. So, hahayaan ko lang muna yung itlog nung dyan. Titingnan ko after ilang, tatayman ko kung anong oras ilang oras siya maluto sa pamamagitan ng init, ng natural na init dito. So, natural, charot. So, ito na guys, kasi yun, nakakainit kasi dito ngayon. Yung ngayon, yung weather ngayon, mainit. Summertime, so ito na siya. So, let's go guys. We're gonna check the egg. The area that I put under direct in the sunlight, what it's look like now. So after 1 hour, this is the appearance of the egg. So the egg yolk, it's going to cook. You see? Look at guys. The egg yolk is already double sizes now. But the egg white is starting to dry up. And so we're gonna check after 1 hour again. Let's see what the egg's appearance is. So this is it now. Because now the temperature here in Kuwait, it's already 49 degrees. So it's very hot. Oh gosh, this is unbelievable. See, you can see the appearance of the egg yolk. It feels like we are in a Mercury planet. So after 1 hour again, I'm gonna check what's the what do you call this one, the appearance of the egg again. So let's cook. So this is it. After 1 hour again, this is the appearance of the egg yolk now. It's rise up in double sizes, and it's starting to dry the egg white. Oh no, you see how hot here in Kuwait. See, even the egg can cook here in the the egg direct to the sunlight. See? It's cooked. So this is my experiment for today. And this is my vlog for today. See? Now time is 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon. So I start to put the egg direct to the sunlight. It's 11 a.m. in the morning, time. And now after two hours and a half, this is the outcome of the eggs. So it's incredible. I